Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to extract the text from the image using Gemini AI tool. Here I can go and add the file. So I can go and let me show you the file that I have some text on it. So this one is the text file. Now I want to get the text. Now I can go back here, then select the file, then upload this file. Let me go and select it, this one. Now I can type here extract text from the image, then press enter. Within couple of seconds you will get all the text available in this image. Okay, that's fine. You can use this feature and save a lot of your time.